Welcome out to the garage, lady and gentlemen. It was kind of a long day at work. Kind of a long, stressful day. Um, I won't get into it, but I I wasn't sure if I was going to make it out here. It's kind of late, but this is my unwind space. This is my relax space, and I just didn't feel right if I didn't come out and hang out for a little bit. So there's a video I was thinking about making for a minute. You guys know I've been thinking a ton about tools that make sense for the Volkswagen platform, MQB platform. So I just want to show you some. So if you're looking at adding a couple of tools to your trunk, just some of the basics, some essentials, these are the ones that I wouldn't skip. So there's some something kind of interesting about this set right here. So you remember a little while ago I did a review. I found these 4-in-1 wrenches. I started out with like this really cheap Chinese set that I discovered, and I liked it because it had, I don't know, what was it, like 6 to 19 no skips and 3 wrenches. I thought that was pretty awesome, but then that Chinesium set was garbage. And then I found this Baco set. The Baco set was expensive. It was like $100. I'm sure it's good, right? This is probably going to have a place in a nicer box that I'm loading out. And for a minute, I thought maybe this would be a good candidate for one of my Volkswagen lightweight car kits. But I decided against it, and let me show you why. So one of you guys in the reviews, I think, had mentioned, when I was looking at the 4-in-1s, they'd mentioned the Husky set. And at first I was kind of turned off the Husky set because unlike that Baco and that other cheap Chinese one, this 4-in-1 has skips. And so I've got another one here I've already opened here. So, and I wrote this down just because it's hard for me to remember. But it turns out that the Volkswagen MQB platform has certain bolts that are just inherently not used. So here's my notes. So MQB platform cars don't natively have a 12, 14, or 15, and they've got 11, but that's only like a brake bleeder, clutch bleeder. So why is that relevant? Well, what are the skips in the Husky set? So Husky has 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19. So out of the 3 kind of sizes that you would think could be on the MQB platform, or at least I would think could be there, 12, 14, 15, 3 out of 4. So the only extra one, let's see. This one has a 12 that apparently is not used on MQB. And then, but yeah, the 14 and 15, which I thought being missing from this set might be a problem, turns out it's not a problem. So I think this Husky set, kind of cool. You got 8, 12, 10, 13, 16, 18, 17, 19. So anyway, it's kind of optimized for the MQB platform. So 2 wrenches, and you get 8 of the, well, I guess you're carrying around one of these is extra. So in 2 wrenches, you actually get 7 usable wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, on the VW platform. And these are Husky, lifetime warranty, right? Just go to Homeless Despot if you need to return one. So this is dang cool. Super cool. This is going in my minimalist performance car, Golf R, portable toolkit. These 2 wrenches. In addition, I highly recommend you guys snag yourselves one of these Tekton, I don't know, however many in one drivers. And what's really cool about this set right here is that it's got Torx T20, T25 on this side, and it's got T27, T30 on this side. So instead of that crappy little driver that all the Volkswagens come with, it's like Phillips and flathead on one side, you could do nothing more than just swap this out and you'd have something that's 87 times more useful than that little dealio. So anyway, and I like the idea of picking the red one just for high visibility for a roadside, right? So I'd snag you one of these, and the crazy thing is Tekton sells this thing for $10. You just got to be careful when you get on the site, because not all of them are like the setup for T30. Some of them are set up a little smaller. So you just got to order the right set that has the T30. And then the other cool thing is that Tekton, and I did it, I don't think I'm going to go digging around for them. For a couple of bucks, Tekton also sells you like the other bits, like the flathead Phillips. So I grabbed one of those too. So in my car, like when I end up doing my ultimate performance VW tool layout, these are absolutely both going to be in there. And then I'll probably also include the little, if I'm going to have this tool in there, I might as well include the little Phillips, flathead little piece. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. It's a cool little set that, while it seems like, while the skips might seem like a problem, turns out they optimized this thing for our cars, and they feel pretty good quality. So I do like these wrenches, and I had no problem whatsoever with a wrench about this size, taking off like brake caliper bolts and stuff. So anyway, I think it was calipers. I don't know. It was something on the brakes. But yeah, very cool. And it's like something like $42. So it's double the $20 Chinesium kit that malfunctioned on the very first use. So I think these are a solid little option. For honorable mention, because I mentioned that the brake bleeder and clutch bleeder is an 11. So as an honorable mention, I found this little Sunex wrench, because I was just looking for something that I could use. Like if you had to bleed the brakes or bleed your clutch in a pinch, one of these might come in really handy. And I know for a fact that my 2009 Rabbit, it's got a little bit of a propensity to get airline into that thing. So this is a good little tool to have in case of that. Now, if you watch the Project Farm video, when he reviewed a whole bunch of wrenches, these Crescent flare nut wrench set for like 12 or 13 bucks, it was super highly reviewed, highly rated on his channel. But this little Sunex wrench, I'm sure it's not going to be anywhere near as strong as this guy. But I mean, if all we're talking about is brake bleeding, clutch bleeding, I don't think those things are cranked down that hard. So I think this little guy would be just fine. So anyway, for like, I think it's like $6 or something like that. This is a good honorable mention. So anyways, that's my little preview on the lightweight version of a VW MQB platform, especially, but probably other VWs as well. Toolkit loadout. So go check them out. Have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. See ya.